As part of the Recipe European funded projects, one of the aim was to provide some sort of cooling facilities whereby we could overcome the overheating of buildings in general without any mechanical refrigeration or air conditioning. And as part of that project, and is generally basically is the utilize the cool energy overnight and freeze any materials what we can freeze, and therefore transferring the cold energy from night to day. And the most common practice at the moment is being used the commercially available products out there using organic materials, and they are hydrogen carbon chains. And first of all, they are relatively expensive, and secondly, they are considered as a fuel, hence the fire risk involved with this using organic materials. As part of the Recipe projects, we try to use different materials, is generally called as the PCM or phase change materials or eutectic materials. But as part of that project, we try to use the low cost hydrated salt versions by simply mixing water and the salt and altering the freezing temperature of the water. And as I have a sample of the same material, and that basically is a water, calcium chloride and the water solutions. It's a very low cost, widely available, but nevertheless, because it's the water in the media, we have to encapsulate, seal in a container whereby the water cannot evaporate and is protected from the surrounding air. As part of that, basically the projects and developments, we developed 2-inch, 50mm, 1 meter long plastic tubes to hold the PCM, and in return, these tubes are hung within the ceiling in the false area and utilizing the cold energy overnight to freeze naturally, and during the daytime melt and absorbing the heat like a heat sponge and keeping the space cool. In John Laing building in University of Coventry, as a full-scale installation carried out and is being monitored, and by the end of the project we will be presenting the numbers. First of all, proving factually the technology works itself, but also equally, the most importantly, we could provide a cost-effective, economical alternative to a mechanical cooling and air conditioning systems, and therefore any building whereby struggling with the overheating issues, this technology can be applied anywhere in Europe, and it offers a very good economic return on investment to projects.